Dronekeeper mini2 operation and usage explanation. Description of user modes. Wireless mode, the trigger of missing alarm is motion sensor or power loss. Wired mode, the trigger of missing alarm is PWM signal loss of receiver or power loss. Description of user timers. Motion sensor timer. If there is no motion for a certain period of time, a missing alarm will automatically go off. User can choose the motion sensor timer settings. Power on timer. If there is continuous movement of the product, the missing alarm will ring, regardless of the operating motion after setting the time for the power on timer. The power on timer automatically generates the tone of missing alarm after the power is turned on. User can choose the power on timer settings. 1. Product fuse. Loud sound buzzer. Motion sensor. Removable battery. Auto charging. Receiver connectivity via micro USB. Wide input voltage from DC 5 volt to 9 volt. 2. Inserting the battery. Check the battery status before inserting it. 3.6 volt lithium-ion coin cells are required. Inserting the battery if the battery doesn't have any problem. Apply heat to a shrinkable tube after inserting the battery using a heat gun or hair dryer. Three. Wireless mode. Turn on the power. Blue LED will blink if there is movement. The missing alarm will ring after a certain period of time if there is no movement. This sound is for a missing alarm. At wireless mode, it is possible to connect the external power for auto charging and missing alarm by power loss. User will hear the power switch off detection alarm when the external power is connected. User have to turn the power on. When the external power is lost, the missing alarm will ring. 4. Wired mode. At wired mode, product has to be connected to the receiver. When the receiver is connected, user will hear the power switch off detection alarm. User can control the missing alarm through transmitter. When the external power or receiver signal, PWM, is lost, the missing alarm will ring. 5. Changing user timers and modes. Provision of the receiver gender is required. In order to change the motion sensor timer setting, tap on the timer pad by shortly using -black pin. Repeat step 5. In order to change the power on timer setting, tap on the timer pad for about 2 seconds. Repeat step 3. After choosing the setting values, turn the power off and then turn on the power again. In order to change the mode, tap on the mode pad using -black pin. Repeat step 2. 6. Warning alarms. Low voltage alarm for internal battery. Power switch off detection alarm. Over voltage detection alarm. Thank you for watching. www.nichimel.net